Good day, I'm Engineer Ejike Ejua. I'm welcoming you to our online tutorial on software development. Kindly watch our tutorial.
We shall be looking at Flexbox versus Grid, which to use. Instructor/coordinator Engineer Ejike Njua, powered by Mathematical Global Services. Objective: understand layout system and when to choose Flexboard or Grid. Introduction. In this video, you will explore two powerful CSS layout systems, Flexbox and Grid. You will learn the theory behind each and see practical HTML and CSS examples so you can choose the best layout tool for your project. Flexbox, one-dimensional layout. Flexbox is designed for one-dimensional layout, either in row or a column. It works best for aligning items along a single axis. Key concepts: main axis and cross axis. Properties like justify content, align items, flex direction. For example, let's go to our HTML coding environment. As you can see on your screen, this is the code that align or that talks about flex. In the internal CSS style, you will see that we use dot flex container, curly bracket, display flex, justify content, space around, align item center, height 100, view height, background color as you see in the code below. Then we close our curly bracket. Then we also have dot box, curly bracket open, width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, background color. As you can see on the code on the screen, color white, display flex, justify content center, align item center. Then now come below, we see our body code. We have def class container, flex container. We have def class box 1, we have class box 2, we also have class box 3. Then when you save your changes, then go to the web environment, refresh our web page. You will see that our styling has been affected, as you can see on the screen. So let's go back to our tutorial. Use Flexbox when 1. You need to align elements in a row or column. 2. You are dealing with navigation bars, buttons, or simple lists. Then let's look at Grid, two-dimensional layout. CSS Grid is meant for two-dimensional layout, both rows and columns. It's powerful for building entire web page layouts. Key concepts: Grid container and grid items, grid template columns, grid template rows, gap grid area. Let's go to our HTML coding environment. As you can see on the screen, this is our code. Here we are using the internal CSS. As you can see, we have the ID dot grid container curly bracket open display grid template columns repeat 3,1 fr gap 10 pixels padding 20 pixels background color. As you can see the code, then curly bracket close. Then we have another container id dot grid item background color. As you can see in the code, color white padding 20 pixels, text place center font size 20 pixels. Then we close our style. Then we come to the body. We are using the dev class grid container. We have another dev grid items, as you can see display on the screen. Then let's save our work. Then we now go to our web browser and refresh it. As you can see, the different containers have been aligned both rows and columns. Use grid when you need full control over both rows and columns. When you are designing page layout, galleries, dashboards, etc. When to use Flexbox versus grid. Flexbox is perfect for aligning items in a single line. Responsive menus and forms. Small UI components. Grid is better for overall page structure. Complex components like cards, image galleries. Laying out elements in two directions. Best practice. Combine both. Use grid for major layout, section and Flexbox for internal alignment. Conclusion. Both Flexbox and grid are essential tools in your CSS toolbox. Use Flexbox for linear one-directional layout and grid when you need two-dimensional control. The right choice depends on your layout needs.
Applied learning assignment. Create a new pen on codepen.io. Write and test your code within the editor. Once you are satisfied, save your work and copy the pen's URL. Submit the URL to this email: matchpadocoglobalservices@gmail.com. Below is the tags. 1. Selectors and styling. Style a web page using different CSS selectors like elements, class, ID, pseudo classes, and advanced selectors like descendant or sibling. Responsive design. Build a responsive web page using media queries that adjust for mobile, tablet, and desktop views. Flexbox and Grid. Create one page layout using Flexbox and another using CSS Grid, each with a header, content section, and footer. Transition and animation. Add transitions to buttons or links and create a simple animation using keyframes, e.g. bouncing or sliding effect. Watch our next video on Introduction to JavaScript. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share and comment for one-on-one training on software development and affiliate marketing, or if you wish we build your website for you, kindly contact us on 080-3642-2829. We also partner with Azinonet Limited, African First Digital Contributory Scheme, where we show you how to raise capital for that business of your dream. Thank you. May God bless you all.